dealing with the body of course, or you dealing with the boss. Is there?
Okay, so I need to film my intro video to. I want a soft glam. I want something that I can reuse for every video. So let's do my makeup. Let's do a little soft beat. I don't have a mirror. I'm trying to use my phone right now. So hopefully this works. I don't fill in my brows too much. It's just the end part right here that really needs to be filled in. I have not done my makeup. Every time I start doing my makeup again, it's like I forget. But I feel like what it is, I have so much stuff in my makeup bag that when I open it, it's just, I get overwhelmed and I don't know what I need to do. I did my nails last night. I tried to attempt to do the, I guess, Hailey Bieber nails. The glaze looking nails. It's not exactly how I wanted it to be, but I feel like for me to do this myself, it looks pretty good. Pretty good if I do say so myself. I'm not gonna lie, I used to like them videos where you're watching somebody do their makeup and they're like, okay, we're gonna go in there with a concealer and I'm using the NX599925679198335454. Like, who named these brushes? But I ain't gonna lie, I used to write it down because I'm like, oh yeah, I need that brush, and ain't by not a single one of them brushes. Okay, so we did that, and then oh yeah, I'm gonna go in with my Revlon Photo Ready Color Corrector, and I'm gonna cover my dark marks. I have this pimple that's trying to go right here, and I probably shouldn't even be doing my makeup because of it, but I'm doing it anyways. All right. Now we're gonna go in with our Clinique Even Better. This is the one that is supposed to be to help acne prone skin. So this is supposed to stop it at the source. So it's supposed to help prevent acne because they have one that's supposed to prevent acne, and then they're supposed to have one that helps with dark marks. But I'm like, it makes more sense to start at the source because acne is what causes the dark marks, even though like I don't know. Oh, I didn't spill anything. Okay, good. Like, it does not feel good at all. Like, this looks like I painted on a mask. Linda! I don't think I'm gonna do contour. I lied, I'm gonna do contour. Never leave it. Meet me at my door. We're gonna let that dry. I like how it looks so natural. I'm not gonna lie, it does not look that great, but in my defense, I didn't have a mirror. So, we're gonna try to fix her up. I feel like it doesn't look that bad, but it could be better. I feel like I have a lot going on in my face. I'm just not used to it. And I should probably do my edges for the video. Okay, so right now I am posting my TikTok content. That's really why I fell off posting content on YouTube, because I gave myself a challenge to post a month straight on TikTok, and then this just fell off. So now I just have all this in my drafts, and honestly I'm gonna start posting like Justin Bieber, like, because why not? Literally, why not? So
what's your 5-year plan?
I just posted.
Like your 5-year plan, like what are you going to be doing in the next 5 years?
What's I'm doing in the next 5 years?
Yeah, you need to have a plan. You need to have 5 years.
So go check out my TikTok.
Do I look?
I'm about to just start spamming for real. Cause I have how many more? I got 2 videos. Like, I have too much stuff in my drafts. Like, and I'm just taking up storage. I just need to release it for real. So yeah, that's 2 videos that's ready to post, and then I have to film another one because I'm doing a series, which is a part of this, which is digging into hobbies. I started picking up playing the keyboards, so I'm gonna show y'all me practicing. But I want this to be realistic, because I was thinking in my head, oh, I'm gonna do this, oh, I'm gonna do that. Like, I had it all like a timeline laid out, but like, that's not realistic. If I'm being quite honest, if I'm having a cozy night in, it's probably this: doing stuff that I actually like to do, playing in makeup, making TikTok videos, and now the keyboards. And sometimes I have a little basket right here. I have yarn I can knit. Well, I have to teach myself again because I forgot. But then I also have my little coloring book in there, my devotional coloring book. So we're gonna dig into these activities because it's cuffing season, and just because it's cuffing season, don't mean nothing. That does not mean go jump into a relationship because you're bored. Like, we all been there. We've all been there to where you felt like you needed that. You see everybody going to the pumpkin patches, doing the hay rides, and then Thanksgiving, you seeing they parents and these parents and that parents, this cousin going on at everybody's house, and then Christmas, and then New Year's, going to New Year's party, New Year's kid, and then Valentine's Day. Like, it's cuffing season where you do all this stuff together, and it's like, you don't need that. Okay, you can spend time with yourself. You can do all those things still, honestly, but just with yourself. So that's what I'm here for. If you need somebody to do all that stuff for, this is what this is for. I'm gonna be here with you. So while everybody's out at the fair or going on, turn your TV on, turn me on, I got you, sis or bro. Tonight we're gonna eat a little Chipotle, and we're gonna watch the new Ruth and Boaz movie on Netflix. Oh my god, I'm so excited!
Here it comes.
Okay, I'm not gonna post this because I feel like I need to redo this one because I was trying to do like a transition, and when I posted me now, I didn't do the little. So I'm gonna redo that one. So this is the keyboard that I have. She cute, she old. I've literally I've literally had this keyboard since I was probably in middle school. And I just never got rid of it, even though I've tried. But my mom was like, no, you're gonna want this when you're older. And she was right. I want it now that I'm older. So I'm gonna practice on this. Let me know if you can tell what I'm playing. Oh. So I kind of want to see what my concentration face looks like. Wish it was turned that way. It wasn't turned like that yesterday. I'm like learning bits and pieces of the song, but I'm also trying to like use both my hands. Like this is my dominant hand, so like it's easier for this hand, but then I always forget about this hand, which luckily with this song is only 3 chords. So I just have to remember that this hand is there. I could do better than that. Wait, did I just do E again? Okay. So it's what is it? Dun, dun. Okay. Okay. So it's okay, that first. Okay. Now I gotta tie everything together. Ouch. That's the hard part. Like I can learn bits and pieces. Like I just learned that. Well, that needs practice, but I learned it. And then I have to tie what I learned yesterday in with that. And then I gotta do everything without making a mistake. That's where I am tough on myself, because then I'll learn it and then I'll get cocky and then I'll start making mistakes. And then I'll be hard on myself and I won't stop until I am able to run it all through without making one mistake. So, no, I don't. I think I was like,
So you have a piano at home, but the only thing that you can play is this?
okay, I'm gonna have to catch y'all on the flip side so I can charge my camera. It's on like 15%. So I'm gonna keep practicing, maybe film a little day 3 for TikTok, and then I'll catch y'all probably when I'm probably about to watch this movie or something. I don't know. So see y'all a little later.